Ah yes, Team Shiny Wax. What an amazing team. Glad it continued into Cars 3, and we got so close to a hauler getting released, but it got cancelled. In 2011 it made way for Cars 2, and Team Shiny Wax is one of the few teams that almost, yes repeat, almost got the entire team. We got Stock Car, Darren Ledfoot, we got Piston Cup Cars 3 Racer, Darren Ledfoot, Conrad Camber, we got the Pity, and we also got the Crew Chief. We got the whole team except for the hauler. Now, anyways, today's review will be taking a closer look at Conrad Camber. Of course, Conrad Camber was seen in Cars 3, and this was suggested to me by X-Aviator. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Sorry if I do pronounce your name wrong. Just some names are really hard to pronounce. But yeah, anyways, I like to put some pictures of where Conrad Camber appeared in Cars 3 up where about Biz Talkson is. That is my next review, by the way. But yeah, there are some pictures of Conrad Camber, and now we'll start on to the review of this Conrad Camber. Now, as well, I do not have the Thailand release, so there will be no Thailand versus China comparison. Yeah, anyways, here's the new next gen expression. We've got fenders, we've got moustache, we've got grill, Shiny Wax logo on the top there in this gold foil paint, swirls all around. Reminds me of Cam Spinner with swirls. Pretty nice expression up here with his eyes. 82, which is pretty cool, in his green colour with his gold outlining. Gold flake coming from the top from this star on the side here. We've got roof flaps here, window support bars, more like gold flake star things coming out. His spoiler, Shiny Wax, which is half cut off, shiny and wax. We got the two little yellow things on the side, gold or yellow, how you know what to call it. Here's the side, well you can see that shine in the reflection, that's so cool, right there. Yeah, we've got Piston Cup Combustor Carbon Solid Synergy, all the new sponsors. We've got 82, this gold flake star here as well. The arrow to indicate to the Pity, this is this down Ledfoot's Pity, where to lift him up at a pit stop. So that is pretty cool, and it does balance as well, if you get it perfectly right. Got exhaust pipes there too. Fuel cap is there. Nice light year rims as usual. Got Shiny Wax logo back here. Onto the back we got rear lights. No 82 for some reason. Shiny Wax logo there too. Rookie stripes mandatory for all the cars. And there is the base, made in China. Now we'll quickly go over his package, because I do have one in the package. We've got Conrad Camber, made by Mattel, 3+, diecast. His artwork, pretty cool. There's the Pixar logo, Next Gen series line, pretty cool. There's the back, got Conrad Camber and the bio reads, will the next generation racers break Lightning McQueen's winning streak? The answer is no, because he ends up winning in Florida 500. People keep saying it's yes. I know McQueen retires in the end, but I mean, we all know it's yes and a no at the same time. Yep. Pretty cool, that's him in the package. Now, to end this video, I don't like my videos being too long nowadays. We will bring back the whole team. And actually, before I do, I'll compare him to Down here from Cars 1. Pretty cool. No rookie stripes, because Down's not a rookie. Pretty cool, and there's the base. We also have Darren Ledfoot from Cars 3. Some major differences there. Shiny Wax is one of the most major different diecasts, I believe. Pretty cool. And before we go with the rest of the team, there is this mini version here, which is pretty cool. Conrad Camber. The spoiler is actually accurate for once on the mini racer, which props to Mattel. I mean, I can't exactly put these spikes up on the Mattel diecast, I believe, so that's a shame. This one's got more of expression. His mouth's open, as you can see on the mini. It's got more of a metallic paint. There's the base. This is made in Thailand. That is cool. And now to bring out the whole team, we've got the diecast here. We've got the mini here. Expression might look a bit different on the mini actually. Down from Cars 1. Down from Cars 3. Crew Chief, and the Pity. Let me know in the comments below which is your favourite. And yeah, thank you Xavier for suggesting this review. My next review will be on Big's Talks in here, possibly for Tuesday's review. It depends on when this comes out. I'm recording this on Wednesday, which is a bit weird. Yeah, no, I've got so much free time on my hand, I just thought, why not record some videos? Guys, if you're new, please make sure to leave a like, dislike if you dislike, subscribe if you're new, hit that bell notification button down below. To the next one, bye guys.